We're Mayde in Ireland. Welcome to the Kern County Scottish Festival Highland Games. In a neat little town they call Belfast, apprenticed to trade I was bound, and many an hour's sweet happiness have I spent in that neat little town, till a sad misfortune came o'er me, which caused me to stray from the land, far away from my friends and relations, betrayed by the black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Very good. Oh, I took a stroll down Broadway, meaning not long for to stay, when who should I meet but this pretty fair maid, come a traipsing along the highway. Oh, she was both fair and handsome, her neck it was just like a swan's, which was attractive back then, and her hair it hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And she was. And her hair it hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. So what did I do? I took a stroll with this pretty fair maid, and a gentleman passing us by. Well, I knew that she meant the undoing of him, by the look in her roguish black eyes. Oh, the gold watch she took from his pocket was a Rolex, and she placed it right into me hand. And the very first thing that I said was, "That's cess to your black velvet band." Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. All before the judge and the jury, the next morning I had to appear. And the judge, well, he says to me, "Young man, oh, your case it is proven quite clear." I disagree. You'll get 7 years transportation, to be spent far away from the land, far away from your friends and relations, betrayed by the black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. And now the moral of the story. So come on, you jolly young fellas, this warning take by me. Oh, when you are out on the liquor, me lads, beware of them pretty colleens. For they'll feed you with whiskey and porter, if you're lucky, until you're unable to stand. And the very next thing that you'll know is you've landed in Van Diemen's land. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. One more time. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet Thank you so much. Give yourselves a hand. That was excellent work. Very good, very good.